6 reporter Jenny Hansson is live outside the Multnomah County Justice Center. And Jenny, police are still looking for 2 other suspects.
They are, Kelly, but they did arrest 18-year-old Christopher Briggs this week. Now, Briggs was in court today where he pleaded not guilty. Court papers say that he admits to police he was there that night the beating happened, but he denies he was involved in any way. Meantime, one of the victims told us today that he was relieved to hear about this arrest and thankful to the community for all of the tips that have been pouring into Gresham police after they released surveillance video from a MAX train. Making his court appearance via a video monitor, Chris Briggs pleaded not guilty to charges involving the beating and robbery of 2 teens last month after they all got off a MAX train in Gresham.
It was just a bad feeling. Like when they walked past us, I kind of knew that they were up to no good.
One of the victims, Chris, told us today that he and his friend were walking home after getting off the MAX when that beating happened.
My friend was flashing around his iPod Touch, and his backpack looked really full. So that might have put a target on him. Chris
had bruising. His friend was worse off. We interviewed him shortly after the beating, which required him to have surgery and 3 plates put in his jaw.
I have to be on a soft food diet for a while, which is pretty inconvenient.
Chris says it was 3 against 2, and that may have also led to them being targeted. He's glad Briggs, the 2011 Madison High School graduate, is behind bars, and now he's hoping this surveillance video leads to the arrests of the other 2 teens.
So it feels good to know that we've at least got one of them, and hopefully that we're going to get the other ones soon. It's a good feeling knowing that people have called in and given tips on these people. Sort of gives us all a sense of, I don't know, community.
Again, Gresham police are still looking for those 2 other suspects. If you have any information, you're asked to contact them. Briggs identified one of the other suspects as Alin in the court documents, and it says that Alin said he was going to, quote, hit a lick after they got off the MAX. That apparently means to rob someone quickly of a lot of money. Reporting for you live in downtown Portland, Jenny Hansson, KOIN Local 6.